A hard reset on a Lenovo docking station is a forced reboot that clears temporary memory and resets firmware states to resolve issues. It's non-destructive, meaning it won't erase your data or settings. It can fix problems like unresponsive USB ports, charging failures, or connectivity glitches after OS updates. According to Lenovo support forums, this resolves 70 to 80% of user-reported problems. Before you start, disconnect your laptop from the docking station. Close all applications and save your work to prevent data loss during any potential power interruptions. Ensure you know the specific model of your Lenovo docking station, as the reset procedure can vary. First, unplug the docking station from both the power outlet and your laptop. This is a crucial step. Then, wait 10 to 30 seconds. This cool-down period allows the capacitors to discharge, ensuring a complete reset by preventing residual power from interfering with the process. This is an important step. Some Lenovo docking stations, such as ThinkPad Thunderbolt 3 dock, include a reset pinhole or button. Locate the pinhole, usually found on the side or back of the dock. Insert a paperclip or similar small object into the pinhole and hold it down for 10 to 15 seconds while the dock remains plugged into a power source. This action initiates a hardware-level reset. Plug the docking station back into the power outlet. Reconnect your laptop to the docking station. Check if the issues you were experiencing are resolved. Test all connected peripherals, including monitor, keyboard, and mouse, to ensure they are functioning correctly. If problems persist, repeat the process or try the alternative methods. Different Lenovo docking station models require specific reset procedures. For the ThinkPad Universal USB-C dock, press and hold the reset button on the dock for 5 seconds after unplugging it. For the ThinkPad Hybrid USB-C with Ethernet dock released in 2024 or later, use the Lenovo Vantage app for a software-initiated reset, which also logs diagnostics for support. For ThinkPad Thunderbolt 3 or 4 docks, hold the power LED button while the dock is connected to power. For some models with a power button, you can try this advanced reset. Disconnect the dock from power. Press and hold the power button for 30 seconds to fully discharge any remaining power. Reconnect the dock to power and your laptop. This method can help clear more stubborn firmware glitches. Before performing a hard reset on your Lenovo docking station, keep these important considerations in mind. First, avoid performing a hard reset during firmware updates, as this can brick the device and render it unusable. Always consult your docking station's manual for the most accurate and model-specific reset instructions. If you need to perform frequent hard resets, this may indicate an underlying hardware issue that requires professional attention. Consider updating your dock's firmware via Lenovo Vantage software before attempting a reset. From a cybersecurity perspective, performing resets on compromised systems might expose your docking station to exploits. Ensure you're in a secure environment. By following these cautions, you can safely maintain your Lenovo docking station's performance and security.